Believe it or not, the roots of the stock market go all the way back to the 1600s, when Dutch merchants began trading shares of the Dutch East India Company. These early stock exchanges were informal and unregulated, but they paved the way for the more formalized markets that would come later. One fascinating fact about these early exchanges is that they were held in coffee houses, where traders would gather to buy and sell shares over a cup of joe. In fact, the world's first stock exchange, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, was originally located in a coffee house. Fast forward to the 1800s, and you start to see the beginnings of the modern stock market as we know it. Exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the London Stock Exchange, LSE, began to emerge, offering traders a centralized location to buy and sell stocks and other securities. One interesting event in the history of the stock market is the Panic of 1907, which was a financial crisis that led to a run on banks and nearly caused a stock market crash. To prevent this, a group of wealthy bankers led by J.P. Morgan banded together to provide emergency funds to banks and prevent a total collapse of the market. Over the years, the stock market has weathered its fair share of ups and downs. From the stock market crash of 1929 to the dot-com bubble of the late 90s, there have been plenty of boom and bust cycles that have left investors reeling. Another interesting figure in the history of the stock market is Benjamin Graham, who is widely considered to be the father of value investing. Graham's investment philosophy was based on the idea of buying stocks that were undervalued by the market, and he was a major influence on legendary investor Warren Buffett. But despite these setbacks and fascinating figures, the stock market has continued to grow and evolve. Today, it's a global behemoth that drives the world economy and offers investors a wide range of opportunities. So, what can we learn from the history of the stock market? Well, for one thing, it's clear that the market is always changing. From coffee houses to high-speed trading algorithms, the way we buy and sell stocks has come a long way. As investors, it's important to stay informed, stay flexible, and be prepared for whatever the market throws our way. Remember, folks, the stock market is a living, breathing entity that's always changing and evolving. If you want to be a successful investor, you need to keep up with the latest trends, stay informed, and be willing to adapt. And if you want to keep learning about the world of finance, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.